battery tester. Now this is my Ford Capri 2 litre 1985. Now I don't use this battery tester as a cheap battery tester you can get online, eBay, whatever. It was given to me. I just use my multimeter to pure fill onto it. But what I've noticed with this one is it always says low. And now I know for a fact this battery isn't low. Right, it's constantly on a trickle charge, and I've tested it with my multimeter and it definitely isn't low. In fact, I'm going to show you. So anything on a classic car like this, anything I would imagine, I don't know what the actual set parameters on this gizmo is, but I'd imagine anything below 12 volts would read low, potentially. So let's take this off and let's see what and jam that down in there, and then there, right, 12.72. Yep. See? Perfect. So, as you see, there's no reason why this should be reading low. Now, like I said, I was going to throw this out. But, because I like to say, use a multimeter as a bit of a, be honest with you, it's a bit of a muppet battery tester. But it's always read low. And I know for a fact the battery's fine. So I thought, let's have a look at it. Rather than throw it out, since I've been doing these fix-it videos, let's have a look and see if there's anything we can discern and potentially fix. Right, here we are. Now, like I say, I'm a mechanic by trade. So, you know what it's like. Family member buys you something as a bit of a gift, as a bit of a, you know, like stocking filler, whatever. And you feel compelled to, oh yeah, that's brilliant, you know, sort of thing. Right, and even though this is not, it's pretty crap. To be perfectly honest, my multimeter here is a billion times better than this. All this is designed to do is give you A, the voltage, or B, tell you if the battery's low or dead. And all this does is tell you it's low. Doesn't tell you it's dead, doesn't tell you anything else. All it says is low. Even though I know the batteries that I've put it on, including the Capri, the battery's very, very good on it. So let's have a quick scout about and see what we can see. Now ultimately, you see the soldering on this isn't great. It's very messy, but it's cheap. So I think that's the point behind it. It's very, you know, it's not a quality item. You know, you can get battery testers that run up into the hundreds. This thing is not one of them. It's just a couple of quid really. So as the wires come in, this is your chip. There's a dodgy soldering here. Some capacitors. Right, I have noticed something. Can you see what I'm seeing? Here. C9, so it's a capacitor. So I imagine it's a similar case to C10. Look at that. It's like it's disintegrated. It's just not there. So, first thing I need to do is understand what capacitance this capacitor is. So I'm going to assume, we all know assumptions, the mother of all apps. but I'm going to assume, let me get this in here. Oh, there we are. It's jumping around a bit now. So let's say 200 microfarad. 200 microfarad, okay? So have I got anything that matches that? I know the reels of capacitors I've got doesn't. What have we got here on this? It's like a parts board of mine. This one. See what we got. $234. Sorry, this one here. Look, sorry, out of view. $236. We'll have our one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one off, put this one on. Right, so have a look. Right, there we are. So we need to take this one off now. This is why I don't throw anything out, because this has become a good parts board. Right there. Flux, 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 flux. Yeah. Clean the iron. That's not pretty, is it? Oh, wrong one. So this one goes to ground then, I take it. So let me find ground. Right, there's ground on the capacitor. So if I go there. Yeah, brilliant. Right, happy with that. So, I think that was the problem, because I can't see anything else, and it was glaring. So let's have a look. Let's put it back together.
Like and subscribe.
So let's go and test it. So we're back to my Capri. Right, just to show you again. Let's have a look what the 12.7 something on 12.72. Right, so if I put that in there, force that down in there, and then put that here. Oh, 12.74. Right. Okay, let's see if this is working now. Right, got them in there. 12.76. Here we are then. So that's that done. Like I say, not going to use it. Use my multimeter. I might pass this on or give it to someone who might use it. But it's a fix. So happy days. So until the next video, see you around, Intrepid Fixers. Ta-da, bud.